Our top story tonight, new developments in the Karen Reed case. Tonight, a federal judge denied Reed's request to drop 2 charges in the death of her Boston police officer boyfriend, John O'Keefe. Now, her legal team is pushing for this because some jurors in her first trial said they unanimously agreed to acquit her on 2 counts. Those 2 counts being second-degree murder and leaving the scene of an accident. Now, that ruling came after prosecutors released a list of witnesses they could call to the stand during her retrial, which is set for just a few weeks away. Let's get to NBC 10's Michael Rosenfield. He is joining us live from Dedham tonight with more on who is on that list. Michael?
Hey, Colton, yeah, the second Karen Reed trial is scheduled to begin in just a few weeks, really just about 3 weeks to go at this point. And today we got a look at the list of possible witnesses who may be called to testify. The lengthy list of witnesses the prosecution may call at the upcoming retrial of Karen Reed. 86 names in all submitted to the court.
The witness lists are just potential witnesses. They have to list anybody and everybody they could possibly have as a witness, even though they could reasonably call even half of them.
Reed's first trial ended in a hung jury. She's accused of backing into her boyfriend, John O'Keefe, and leaving him to die in the snow 3 years ago.
Yes, she's a babe. Weird Fall River accent, though.
The lead investigator in the case, suspended state police trooper Michael Proctor, still listed as a witness for the prosecution, despite sending disturbing text messages about the defendant to his colleagues.
It's a very awkward situation for the prosecution because as the lead investigator, he really sort of has to be called, and then he comes with so much alleged potential baggage that he could hurt them.
Also on the list, Karen Reed's father. Criminal defense attorney Peter Ellikin says the prosecution may want to know what Reed told her dad after the alleged crime took place.
They expect that to ask the father about supposedly she may have made admissions to him, essentially confessions, and they want to have him on the stand and talk to him about that.
And Aidan Carney, the blogger known as Turtle Boy, also on the list. He was not called in the first trial. He allegedly had lengthy communications with Reed and has widely promoted the theory that she was framed.
If he had not been around with his stories, there is a good probability that this would not have been as highly publicized case as it has turned out to be.
We have not yet seen the list of witnesses the defense may want to call. The trial is scheduled to start on April 1st, so quickly approaching. Live at the courthouse in Dedham, Michael Rosenfield, NBC 10 Boston.